With AI today, you can turn a single long video into a massive stack of ready-to-post clips for social media, which is an absolute game changer for creators. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact workflow using Vizard to automate the heavy lifting and save you hours of manual editing. Welcome back to the channel, where today we are skipping all that editing pain and showing you a way to find your best highlights instantly. Your first step is simple. Just head over to Vizard, create an account, and log in to get started immediately. The best starting point is a high-quality, long-form asset like a 20-minute podcast episode, a product demo, or a live stream. Don't stress about perfection. While clean audio helps, even casual phone footage with imperfect lighting works wonders for the AI analysis. Once you upload your file, grab a coffee, because the platform quickly analyzes your video to find those perfect emotional spikes and natural beats. You'll start seeing AI-generated clip suggestions pop up on your timeline, which are essentially the moments most likely to capture your audience's attention. People often think they need to micromanage this process, but the system is incredibly reliable at identifying high-retention segments automatically. You can easily review every single suggestion, preview the clip, and quickly discard or tweak the start and end points to get it just right. What really makes this efficient is the ability to guide the AI with specific prompts, just like you would when generating an image. By inputting keywords like customer reaction or best feature, you force the AI to surface clips that perfectly align with your specific content goals. This strategy gives you the perfect mix: short hooks for TikTok, snappy explainer clips for Reels, and longer cuts for LinkedIn or YouTube. Managing aspect ratios is a breeze because you can reformat your clips for different platforms with just a single click. You can even adjust your export presets and resolution to ensure every upload looks professional and is optimized for the algorithm. For the final polish, utilize the built-in brand kit to automatically add your logos, custom fonts, and consistent color palettes to every single clip. The AI-generated captions are a massive time saver, and with just a few quick manual edits, you can ensure they perfectly match your brand's voice. While you might occasionally head to Figma or Premiere for complex motion graphics, Vizard's native tools handle 90% of what you need for social. One feature that sets this apart is the integrated scheduling, which lets you queue your clips to auto-post without ever leaving the dashboard. It eliminates the need for manual downloading and secondary tools, letting you maintain a consistent posting cadence all by yourself. The content calendar is fantastic for visualizing your whole month, letting you drag and drop posts to shuffle your publishing schedule on the fly. When you compare this to other tools like Descript or CapCut, Vizard wins by bundling the entire edit schedule publish flow into one unified space. I recently took a 30-minute walkthrough and created an entire month of content in under 20 minutes, which is honestly insane ROI. If you need custom thumbnails, just pair it with an image generator, save that as a static opener, and your engagement will instantly skyrocket. Always remember to keep your settings set to engagement first selection, and definitely skim those auto captions before you hit the final publish button. Think of Vizard like a junior editor who handles all the tedious grunt work, leaving you free to focus on the final creative touches that matter. Even if you are repurposing old Zoom calls or webinars, this tool can stitch together narrative highlights from almost any raw video file you have. I have included a link to a Google Doc in the description with all my prompts and workflows, so you can mirror my exact setup today. Stop juggling 5 different tools and manual exports, and start scaling your content with a consistent, automated machine that actually works. Drop a comment if you want a real-time live walkthrough where I build a full week of clips from scratch, and I'll get that filmed for you. If this helped, hit that like button, check out my playlist on AI content repurposing, and I will see you in the next video for an ad building tutorial.